You keep your fish in water like this, or like this. Although traditional fish farming has a long history, but it also has many problems. It pollutes the water environment seriously, and the water quality is not easy to control. The success rate of fish farming is low. You may want to take a look at our factory circulating water breeding system. The system adopts various filtration methods so as to achieve recycling of water resources, maximize economic benefits. The equipment you see now is called protein separator. Its main function is to separate the dirt in the water such as foam, residual bait, feces and other pollutants. Factory water recycling aquaculture model. High degree of automation saves labor and stabilizes water quality. It can realize year-round production with remarkable economic benefits. Compared with traditional aquaculture model, the advantages of factoryized recirculating water aquaculture mode are more significant. It is the future trend of fish farming. If you are interested in factory water recirculation aquaculture model, please leave a message in the comment area and pay attention to the next issue.